Welcome to the Northeastern University Innovation Campus at Burlington, Massachusetts, and the Expeditionary Cyber and Unmanned Aircraft Systems Lab. What we have just entered is a brand new state-of-the-art anechoic chamber in Faraday cage. It's a 50-foot by 50-foot by 22-foot tall structure, purpose-built for doing research on unmanned and autonomous vehicles.
It's a very unique facility in the sense that it's the only facility in the nation that allows you to experiment with systems of unmanned vehicles and unmanned aerial systems, both indoor and outdoor.
So you can seamlessly transition from the outdoors to the indoors.
The fact that there is complete shielding of RF signals in this space allows us to perform very exciting research.
The connection between the hardware and software is much closer. Many of the attacks we study, and as a result, many of the ways in which we try to make things safer, actually have to do with interactions with physical environment. Ground drones, air drones, all that stuff. Those are perfect examples of, you might call, cyber-physical systems, where these physical effects really have a profound effect on the underlying cybersecurity.
This facility has an amazing array of software radios connected to antennas on the ceiling. It has this system of cameras that can track at the millimeter level. In addition to that, it's an anechoic chamber. Put all these things together, you get a unique facility in the nation, probably worldwide.